Hi student, welcome back to Rose project, which is conducted by Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Sadhguru Gadge Maharaj College Karad, myself, Kumbar PL, subject chemistry. We have started the topic introduction of polymer chemistry in last lecture. Today's our lecture number 2nd. In last lecture, we have discussed about classification of polymers. In today's lecture, we see some important polymers. See the name of some important polymer. First, rubber. Second, polythene. Third, Teflon. Fourth, polyacrylonitrile. Fifth, polyamide polymer. Polyamide polymer. There is amide linkage. Next, polyester. There is ester linkage. Next, phenol formaldehyde and related polymers. Next, 8 number, Bunna S rubber, or it is also called as SBR. We are seen in last lecture. It is also known as SBR. 9 number, neoprene. 10, viscous rayon. See the first polymer, rubber. It is also called as natural rubber. Elastomers are generally known as rubbers. We are seen in classification. Elastomers polymers is also known as a rubber. These are natural rubbers. The chemical name of natural rubber is polyisoprene. Polyisoprene. Poly means many. Isoprenes means iso means methyl group are present on second carbon. Prene means, keep it in mind, prene means buta-1,3-diene. In buta-1,3-diene, in second carbon, if methyl group are present, then it is called as a isoprene. If isoprene undergoes polymerization to form a polyisoprene, and it is a natural rubber. See, the monomer of natural rubber is isoprene. The question asked on isoprene, what is the IUPAC name of isoprene? The IUPAC name of isoprene is 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene, or it is also written as a 2-methyl buta-1,3-diene, 2,1,3-butadiene or buta-1,3-diene. Iso means methyl group are present on second carbon, therefore 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene or buta-1,3-diene. It is also called as a buta-1,3-diene. See this structure. Buta means 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and methyl group are present on second carbon. First and third carbon are double bonded. This is the structure of isoprene. Next, natural rubber is high molecular mass linear polymer of isoprene. Isoprene is a monomer of natural rubber. It is a linear polymer, means straight chain. See this isoprene unit attached to each other and to form this natural rubber by addition reaction. Polymerization reaction of isoprene. Isoprene undergoes polymerization reaction. This is the structure of isoprene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-methyl buta-1,3-diene. It is also called as a isoprene. Undergoes polymerization, and this form as a shifting of double bond. In addition polymerization always takes place shifting of double bond. This double bond transfer here, and this double bond transfer to form this polyisoprene. It is also called as a natural rubber. Properties of natural rubber. See the properties of natural rubber. Polyisoprene molecule has cis configuration. Cis configuration means cis configuration of double bond. Cis configuration means same group are present on same side of double bond. Same group are present on same side of double bond. Then it is called as a cis. It is a geometrical isomerism, type of geometrical isomerism. Next, it consists of various chains held together by weak van der Waals force and has coiled structure. There is a weak van der Waals force of attraction between two molecules and has a coiled structure. It can be stretched like spring. Like spring, it can be stretched and exhibits elastic property like a elastomer. Like elastomer, it shows elastic property. Next, vulcanization of rubber. Vulcanization is a process. Vulcanization is one of the process to becoming a rubber harder or stronger. See the process by which a network of crosslink is introduced into an elastomer is called as a vulcanization. The process by which a network of crosslinks is introduced into an elastomer is called as a vulcanization. It is one of the process. This process initiated by American inventor Charles Goodyear in 1839. It is invented by American investor in Charles Goodyear in 1839. See the definition. It is the process of improvement of elasticity. Elasticity improved by this process and strength by heating the polymer which on heating the strength it in the presence of sulfur. This heating is carried out in presence of sulfur, which results in three-dimensional cross-linking of the chain rubber molecule. It is the process of improvement of the elasticity and strength by heating it in the presence of sulfur, which results in three-dimensional cross-linking of the chain rubber molecules. Next, second polymer, polyethylene. Polyethylene. Poly means many. Ethene. Ethene is the monomer. See the structure of polyethylene. CH2, CH2, N times. It is called as a, this is the structure of polyethylene. IUPAC name, polyethylene. The IUPAC name is polyethylene. It is the most commonly used hydrocarbon thermoplastic polymer. It is mostly commonly used hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means which having only hydrogen and carbon atom. Which having only hydrogen and carbon atom. The compound having only carbon or hydrogen is called as a hydrocarbon. It is a thermoplastic polymer. Thermoplastic means which on heating it is converted into liquid. After cooling it is converted into solid. It is reusable and remolded. Polyethylene are two types, HDPE and LDPE. LDPE means low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene. It is linear. And HDPE means high density polyethylene. It is a branched polymer. LDPE is a linear polymer. HDPE is a branched polymer. Due to branching, the density of polyethylene is high. Low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene. See the formation. CH2 double bond CH2 means ethene. Ethene undergoes. Here most important part is catalyst. Low density polyethylene is obtained by, it is branched. Low density polyethylene is a branched polymer. Due to branching, the density of this polymer is low. Therefore, it is called as a low density polyethylene. Due to branching, there is a repulsion between two molecules. Therefore, it becomes a soft. Therefore, it is called as a low density polyethylene. This ethene, traces of oxygen. in small amount of oxygen are used or in presence of peroxide at temperature 350 to 370 Kelvin under the pressure 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. In the preparation of low density polythene and high density polythene, only catalyst or pressure or temperature are different. Remaining reaction are same. See, ethylene undergoes polymerization to form a low density polymer, but catalyst here peroxide, traces of oxygen under the pressure at 1000 to 200 and temperature 350 to 370. Mechanism. See the mechanism. Mechanism we have seen already. In addition polymerization mechanism era is of free radical type mechanism, free radical addition mechanism, and hydrogen atom abstract the chain are loosely held and the polymer has low density. The free radical addition and hydrogen atom abstracted, the chain are loosely held and the polymer has a low density. Properties of low density polythene. Properties of low density polythene: extremely flexible but tough chemically, inert and moisture resistance. They are flexible but they are tough, chemically inert, means there is no any action of chemicals, and moisture resistant. Poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is a poor conductor of electricity, means electricity does not move through this polymer. Melting point of low density polymer is 110 degrees Celsius. Next, uses of low density polythene. It is used in the preparation of pipes for agriculture, irrigations, domestic water line and connections. It is used for the preparation of pipes for agriculture, irrigations, domestic water line and connections. Insulation to electric cable. Insulation to electric cable. Submarine cable. It is also used for insulation of electric cables and submarine cables. It is also used for the preparation of squeeze bottles, containers, etc. High density polythene. See the difference between high density polythene preparation, in the preparation of high density polythene and low density polythene. There is temperature and pressure difference and catalyst. This ethylene or ethene undergoes polymerization at temperature. See the difference between temperature 333 Kelvin to 343 Kelvin. At atmospheric pressure 6 to 7. In low density polymer, there is atmospheric pressure 1000 to 2000. Here is the catalyst to form a high density polymer. High density polymer is a linear polymer. Due to linear polymer, it becomes a hard. Catalyst. See here, most important part, the catalyst used for the preparation of high density polymer. The question asked in JEE and NET exam is, which catalysts are used for the preparation of high density polymer? That's the most important. Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst. The formula of Ziegler-Natta catalyst: C2H5 thrice Al plus titanium chloride, TiCl4. Titanium chloride means triethyl aluminum and titanium tetrachloride, or it is also called as a titanium chloride. Triethyl aluminum or titanium tetrachloride. It has high density due to close packing. It has a high density due to close packing. Most important part in this, the catalyst, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Which catalysts are used for the preparation of high density polymer? It is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. See the next, properties of high density polythene. It is crystalline. Melting point of high density polythene 144 to 150 degrees Celsius. high tensile strength and hardness. It is much stiffer than LDP. It is much stiffer than LDP. LDP means low density polyethylene. It is more resistant to chemicals than LDP. It is more resistance to chemicals than LDP. Uses of high density poly. Next point is uses. Preparation of toys and other household articles like buckets, dustbins, bottles, pipes, etc. It is used for the preparation of toys, other households articles like buckets, dustbins, bottles, pipes, etc. Next, it is also used for the preparation of laboratory wares and other objects. Next polymer is Teflon. Teflon. The monomer of Teflon is tetrafluoroethylene. Tetrafluoroethylene. Teflon. CF2 double bond CF2. Fluorine fluorine means tetrafluoroethylene. Or IUPAC name of tetrafluoroethylene is 1122 tetrafluoroethene. 1122 tetrafluoroethene. Undergoes polymerization in presence of peroxide. Generally, addition polymer is carried out in presence of peroxides. And this is the Teflon. This is the structure of Teflon. Tetrafluoroethane undergoes polymerization to form this Teflon. Next, polytetrafluoroethylene. Gas at room temperature. These are gas are at room temperature. Free radical initiator like H2O2. If we see the mechanism of formation of Teflon, it is a free radical mechanism and it is initiated by H2O2. Properties of Teflon. It is the chemically inert. Chemically inert due to CF bond. CF bond is strong bond due to short bond length. Therefore, there is no any chemical action on Teflon. Therefore, it is chemically inert. In JEE or NEET exam, question asked on that point, Teflon is chemically inert due to which bond? There is in Teflon only two bonds are present, carbon-carbon bond and carbon-fluorine bond. And due to carbon-fluorine bond, Teflon is a chemically inert. Most important point, Teflon is chemically inert due to carbon-fluorine bond. Next, resistant to heat and attacked by corrosive reagents. Corrosive reagent. It is resistant to heat and attacked by corrosive reagents. Uses of Teflon. See the next uses of Teflon. Teflon is used in making non-stick cookwares, oil seals and gaskets. Next polymer, polyacrylonitrile. Acrylonitrile. It is also called as a vinyl cyanide. The monomer of polyacrylonitrile is acrylonitrile. It is also called as a vinyl cyanide. The IUPAC name of vinyl cyanide is propinitrile. Prop2En nitrile. It is the IUPAC name of vinyl cyanide or acrylonitrile. This vinyl cyanide undergoes polymerization to form this vinyl cyanide in presence of peroxide. Reaction is carried out in presence of peroxide. This is acrylonitrile. This polyacrylonitrile. It is also called as a polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile resemble wool and is used as a wool substitute and for making Orlon and Acrylon. Orlon and acrylan. It is polyacrylonitrile is also called as Orlon or acrylan. Acrylan किंवा acrylan असंही म्हटलं जातं. Polyacrylonitrile resembles wool and it used as a wool substitute and for making Orlon or acrylan. Next, polyamide polymers. Polyamide polymers having amide linkage. Amide polymer has a amide linkage. Amide linkage is formed by reaction between acid and amide. Acid and amide by removal of water molecules. The example, it contains CONH. Polyamide. Amide linkage are present. Amide means formula dash C double bond O dash NH dash group as a inter-unit linkage. Example, nylon 66 and nylon 6. See the first nylon 66. The meaning of this 66 number is the number of carbon atom in first monomer is 6 and second monomer is 6. And in nylon 6, there is number of carbon in monomer is 6. This number indicate the total number of carbon are present in monomer. See the first nylon 66. Nylon 66, acid and amine. Acid is adipic acid. Acid is adipic acid. It is also called as, IUPAC name of adipic acid is hexane dioic acid. Hexane dioic acid. And this is hexamethylene diamine. Adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. The IUPAC name of hexamethylene diamine is hexane 1,6 diamine. Hexane 1,6 diamine. Hexamethylene diamine is a common name. Adipic acid is a common name, but IUPAC name is hexane dioic acid and IUPAC name of hexamethylene diamine is hexane 1,6 diamine. First, this is acid, this is base. Undergoes salt formation. Acid which donate H plus ion, base which accept H plus ion to form this salt. On reaction of acid and base to form this salt. Here monomer are 2, but these 2 monomers on reaction to form this first salt and only one salt are formed. Therefore, nylon 66 is a homopolymer. This is a salt. This acid donate H plus, this base accept H plus to form this nylon 66 salt. This is a salt. Nylon salt. It is also called as a nylon salt, which undergoes elimination of water molecules, which is on heating. It removes water molecule to form at temperature 553 Kelvin, high pressure, to form this nylon 66 molecules. OH from acid and H from amine are removed. That is H2O are removed to form this amide linkage. Here amine from amine NH2 hydrogen are replaced or removed, and here acid from acid OH group are removed for the formation of nylon 66 or amide linkage. See the uses of nylon 66: making sheets, bristles for brushes, surgical sutures, textiles, fabrics. It is used for making sheets, bristles and brushes, textile fabrics. Next example, nylon 6. Next polymer is nylon 6. Nylon 6, this 6 number indicate the total number of carbon in monomer. For nylon 6, monomer is epsilon caprolactam. Epsilon caprolactam. This is the structure of epsilon caprolactam. Ring cyclic compound. It is a cyclic compound with amide linkage. These are the amides, C double bond O NH. This undergoes ring opening on heating. This undergoes ring opening on heating the bond between NH and CO are break and to form this nylon 6 cable. This is N times, this is N times. It is called as a nylon 6. This is the structure of nylon 6. Uses: nylon 6 is used for making tires cord, making tire cords, fabrics and ropes.